We had this question from our manager, Amanda, who asks, as she reads this industry report, that the average telecom customer uses 2 products. She asks us to compare that number against the data from our customers at Banatel. We're going to use the column called number of products and alpha equals 0.05 to test the hypothesis that the number of products is actually 2. This is the equation that we will need. So there are a couple of things that we already know. One, we know that mu, this is what we're testing, is equal to 2. Right? That's what's in the theoretical mean is 2. Now let's come over here and look at Excel. We have this column here, it's column J, called number of products. That is the column that we're talking about. Now we're going to use XLSTAT to help us calculate this. Click on XLSTAT. It gives me this ribbon. I click on parametric tests. And the first one here is called one sample T test and the Z test. Now I get this option. It defaults to what I've done before, so I'm going to click on column J because that is my column for number of products, which is what I'm interested in. Right? I need to make sure this is checked because I have a label at the top, and I want to do a Z test because I have a lot of observations, instead of a T test, which would be if I had fewer than 30 observations. Now click on options, and I have different choices for my alternative hypothesis. But my question here is whether or not this is equal to the number 2. Level of significance as a percent. Okay, so 5 is the same as 0.05. This is a percent, this is not a percent, but they're the same numbers, right? Same thing. Okay, that's all I need. I can hit OK, and it will think for a moment, and it's done. And you'll see that it has calculated for us the average, the standard deviation. So our X bar is equal to 1.53, and our sigma standard deviation is equal to 0.582. N, which is the number of observations, is equal to 10,000. It tells us the point difference, which is this, and the Z value, which is this. So the answer, Z equals this. That's all we have to do.